Hey, Miss Liggett. So this is what you would do. You would go down to the bottom of your screen down here and click slideshow and just make sure you're on the right round. This is round 2, so I'm just going to use the up arrow to go to round 1. And then they're going to just right click. They go to pointer options. I go to pen, but if they need to change the ink color, that's also here. So I'm going to change it to blue since that's Jordan. And then I'm going to write J. This is some terrible writing, sorry. B. Okay, so then when he's done, the next person will right click. They can change the ink color to, let's say that we're going to have Tesha do it. So we're going to change it to red. Right click. Right click, and then she's just going to write the L. Let me know if you need something different. I also reached out to the Microsoft people to see if it would be easier to do it a different way. And they're pretty good about getting back to me, the people that work at iTeach. Okay, hope you're having a good snow day. Bye.